The floor of a rectangular room measures 600 centimeters long by 450 centimeters wide. It is to be covered with square tiles of dimensions 15 centimeters by 15 centimeters. A. Find the number of tiles used to cover the floor. Given that each packet has 20 tiles, calculate the number of packets needed. Hi guys, welcome again to my channel. It's Math Times, a channel that gives you answers to the question giving you headache at school. In today's question, taken from June 2022, paper 2, question 5 of the Cameroon GCE board, we are going to apply the knowledge of mathematics to real life problems like building and construction. So stay with me as I walk you through this video series. So as the question has read, we are going to calculate the number of tiles needed to cover the floor. Now let's start by collecting data. The data that has been provided to us are the length of the floor, which is 600 centimeters, the width of the floor, which is 450 centimeters, and the dimension of the tile, which they say that is a square, so the sides are equal. So the side is equal to the side, and each of the side is 15 centimeters. Now we need to look at the units of the length, the width, and the sides of the tiles. If they are the same, then we don't need to convert, but if they are different, then we need to do unit conversion. In this case, the units are centimeters, centimeters, and centimeters, so we don't need to do conversion. So from there, what do we need to do? Let's understand the question. So if we have a room, we need what? To know the area of the room. We need to know the area of each of the tile, and then we need to calculate how many tiles we need in that room. So the first thing to do is to calculate the area of the room and the area of the tiles. And the area covered by the room must be equal to the number of tiles times the number or the area covered by one tiles. Okay, so with that understanding, A part says that let's calculate the area of the room, which is length times width, and we know the length is 600, so the area will be 600 times 450. Now if we multiply this, we are going to have 270,000 centimeters squared, because area centimeters times centimeters, centimeters squared. So now let's calculate the area of one tile. The area of one tile is, which is a square, is side times side. So the area, which is side times side, will be 15 times 15. This will give us 225 centimeters squared. Now they have said that if one tile covers an area of 225 centimeters square, how many tiles will cover an area of 270,000 centimeters square? So we are going to do a simple proportion, which says that one tile covers 225 centimeters square, but the area of the room is 270,000 centimeters square. So how many tiles do we need to cover that area of 270 centimeters square? If we cross multiply, we are going to have x times 225 centimeters square and 1 times 270,000 centimeters squared. So if we expand this, we are going to have 225 times x, which will give us 225x centimeters squared. Sorry, it's supposed to be squared, and 1 times 270 centimeters squared. So if we do that, we will divide both sides by 225 centimeters squared. We will have x will be left alone here, and here we will have 270,000 centimeters squared divided by 225 centimeters squared. So we are going to cancel 225 centimeters squared will go into 270,000 centimeters squared 1,200 times. Therefore we can conclude that we are going to need 1200 tiles to cover the total floor of that floor. So the B part says that given that each packet has 20 tiles, B, calculate the number of packets needed. So we are again going to have simple proportion here. If one packet is equals to 20 tiles, then how many packets will give us 1200 tiles? Again, we are going to cross multiply like that, and we are going to have x times 20, which will give us 20x tiles, should be equals to 1200 tiles. Now if we multiply both sides, we are going to have x equals to 1200 tiles divided by 20. If we divide this, we are going to end up with 0 into 0, 2 into 120 will give us 60 tiles, right? So therefore we are going to say that we need 60 packets to cover the total floor, given that each packet contains 20 tiles. So guys, that is how we handle questions like this. If you have a problem, please don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section with questions you need us to help, or you can join my WhatsApp group. Just comment on the comment section, I will send you the link. So stay with me and remain blessed. Bye bye.